Hello everybody, this is Trainboy90 Productions here, and today we will be unboxing a 2022 wooden railway engine. Here we have the 2022 wooden railway Gordon. Further ado, we're going to open the box and see what's inside. We're going to open up the box, we're going to use our handy dandy hobby knife, and there are people that are fucked up these days, but we'll open up the box and see what's inside. Open up the back of the box. We're gonna push her here. Here's a nice look at Gordon, the big blue engine. As you can see, very nice model. Of course, see his face over here. But to get a real look at him, we're going to take him out of his package. This is the fourth 2022 wooden railway engine I actually got. Got him from Barnes & Noble. Got him at Barnes & Noble, where they sell a lot of these engines. Gonna cut up the tape. Of course, we're gonna get our scissors to actually cut the back of the box. Barnes & Noble is one of the only places I was able to find these engines. Alright, so Gordon is officially out of his package. He's a big one. Of course, he comes with a pamphlet. Of course, like with every other wooden railway 2022 engine, there's a little pamphlet that he comes with. So, we're going to take a look at the pamphlet after we put the box away. So, we're going to put the box away and have a look at Gordon the Big Blue Engine. Here is a nice look at Gordon. First, we're going to take a look at the locomotive. Gordon has this expression, you can see here. A little scared, some sort. I don't know what the expression is, but you can see the details, like the pistons over here. And the interesting thing, that the splashers are actually carved separately instead of part of the boiler. And he has a nice big dome. As you can see, the cab actually does have a little bit of light in there. It's like the illusion of a firebox, pretty much. There's the back of Gordon. Of course, he's a very long engine. Here's the underside of Gordon. Pretty much, you can see it has his name, item code, and his serial number over here. And a look at his tender. Of course, the smoke box, wheels, chassis, dome, and of course, coal on the tender. And the chassis and wheels of the tender are all plastic. Gordon, of course, is a 2D face. Come on, there you go. A little bit of something on there, I don't know what it is. Maybe I'll scrape that off. No, it's part of his face. Never mind. The wheels are vinyl decals, whatever they are. He has a lot of riveting, you can see here. Stripes in the dome painted on. And the tender, you see the number 4 right over here. And the tender stripes, the coal in here. Number 4, yet again on the other side. And the rails are more towards the front, so alright, we're going to end the video right over here. So, remember everybody, thank you for watching. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. See you all next time, and goodbye.